Today we're inside a machinery factory in Suzhou, China. They specialize in auto parts and steel processing, and they used to have serious trouble with their sawing process. The plant manager told us they previously used different brands of saws and blades. Blade breakage was a huge headache. Over 300 broke every month. That meant constant downtime for replacements, delayed orders, and endless repurchasing, all adding unnecessary cost. But after switching to our matched bandsaw machine, plus dedicated blade system, things changed fast. In 2 months, they only used 420 blades, total monthly breakage dropped dramatically, and downtime was drastically reduced. It wasn't just longer blade life, cutting efficiency also improved. Before, they cut 40 steel tubes per hour. Now, it's 60 without extra effort. Jobs that used to require overtime are now finished on schedule. And blade replacement frequency? Previously, 150 blades per month. Now just 100. That means lower costs and less time wasted on changes. Altogether, these changes saved the plant $1,200 every month. Not a small amount, and it adds up fast. This is the power of the machine blade synergy. It solves breakage and efficiency issues, reduces cost, and boosts productivity. Is your factory also dealing with high blade wear and low efficiency? Want results like these? Click the link in the description now. Tell us your material and monthly output. We'll give you a tailored solution to save cost and boost efficiency right away.
1 more square meter cut.